lock in.
Mr. Lee, watch this.
Oh. All right.
Mr. Lee, should you see that?
I should. It's getting crusty.
Yeah. It's crusty.
Getting crusty.
What?
Go ahead.
Mr. Lee, you have to start calling it the tube.
Oh, good try, good try. Do it for the tube.
Do it for the tube.
All right.
Wait, hold on.
That'll be on my blooper section. I'll be back. Do it for the tube.
I got it, okay?
You got it. Lock in.
Oh, you
Boom.
actually did.
Let's go.
I got electrified.
Let's go. You're locked in. All right, she's got this. She's got this.
Oh, I did it!
Whoa! How'd that feel? Amazing. First try? Wow. All right. Wow.
Oh, it's because it fell. It's because it fell because Thomas wanted to drop it.
Can we pull it?
Yeah, you can pull it. Good job. He's got this. He's locked in. Yeah. Good job. You got to lock in and you got it.
I'm locked.
Oh, good try. Good try. Look at the concentration. Here we go. The concentration. You guys are locked in. Give it a good hard flick. Locked in and ready. All right, that's all right. Okay, she failed the first time. This time she's locked in. Changing her form.
Wait, I got this. Wait, ow. You got this?
I don't know about this. All right, he's locked in and ready. That was close. So close, but so far away. Oh, I got it. All right, she's locked in and ready. Oh, oh. So close, but so far away. Dude, how'd that feel? How'd that feel? I barely even moved. Wait. All right, go ahead. Whoa. That didn't even move. Okay, you need to lock in. You did it. Dude. Here he goes.
Sideways.
Ooh. Ooh. That was like a miss. Oh, that was close. Matthew, go for it.
No.
Oh, good try. Whoa. You're like a pro. That's awesome. I'm ready. Oh, good try. Good try.
Something coach me in.
There we go.
Wait, sorry. Over here.
Good. Mesmerized. I am ready. That was actually very, very close.
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad.
4 for 4.
You're on a roll.
5 for 5.
Dang. Good job, guys.
You're so close.
You guys are locked in. This penny was made in 1967.
Alright. I'm gonna pull the card.
He's got it. Nice. That's it. That's a make. Doing good. So close. Got it. Close.
Come on, Alex. Nope.
Close.
Oh no. I can't do it. Hey, I did it!
Wow, you're good at that. 2 in a row. Mia's got it, but she got to lock in. I would flick it. A good hard flick. That was close. Give it a whirl. Close. Close. You did.
I'm amazing.
It went that way and then all the way back. Go back to your partner, Bella. My partner's mean behavior. I'm calling her Alex, by the way, and she's calling me Beer's middle name.
Get it. All right, you got this. Oh. Good try. That was really far away. You did it.
Okay, ready?
You did it. That counts.
The water stopper. Alex!
Oh, it did count. All right, you got it again.
No.
They were old. That was cool.
Yes!
You did it. How'd that feel?
You gotta put it.
Good try.
No.
Good try.
Perfect.
You got this. Go ahead.
Try.
Good try.
It is to rock in one horse.
Here we go. Oh no, what happened? It put pressure on it. Take 2. Take 2. Closer.
I do it every single time.
You gotta lock in.
Wait, we left Ashley.
You got this.
No, you're not. Go. See, I told you. She did it perfectly.
You got nervous because of the camera.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta just ignore the camera.
Go.
Close.
It's the stupid. Oh!
She did it, and I got it on film. Bro. Okay, go ahead.
I'm so bad.
Oh!
How'd that feel?
Good. That felt really good.
You were locked
I knocked all of
in.
them off when. Oh yeah.
We do it with 2 pennies.
Bro, that was, I got that on film.
That was an error.
That's all right. That was an error.
Oh my
Yeah, that
god.
was I actually.
That was a trial run. Now,
Alright, watch.
that would have gone in, but I think you hit the cup.
Yeah.
Lincoln, stop hitting the cup.
You're too strong.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, dude.
You hit the cup. Hey, maybe try the pulling method. That guy. Look at that.
Oh, wait, I have to do it again. Ready? Wait, yeah, so video Lexi doing it. I got 5. Yeah, I'm coding.
Locked in.
Eat chick butter. Okay, guys.
First try. Let's go. How'd that feel?
Where'd the card go?
You got it the first time.
Oh, let's go.
First time.
Oh, 2 for 2!
She is 2 for 2. Got 3 in a row yet. This will be a
Nobody-
first.
nobody's
Nobody
got it.
yet has gotten 3 in a row. Lexi is going for 3 in a row. So close. That was really close.
Wait. Alright, center, let's show. And go with that side, like.
Close. Close. Good try. Good try.
This is not racing. You're bullying. I got it.
I got it on film. Nice job. That was amazing.
That was so good.
Fairly moved. All right, go ahead.
Oh, that was close.
That was close. Bro, he did it. That was lightweight, baby.
Lightweight, late work, no reaction.
I'm about to eat that Chick-fil-A.
What was that? Whoops. Good try.
Watch. Seatbelts. Cards. You guys have
One lousy penny. Oh, I should give it. How's it feel to be 3 for 3? 3 for 3. At this rate, he'll be 6 for 7. You did it. You did it. How's that feel?
Feels good.
That was awesome. He did it on his 7th try. Persistence pays off. It's amazing. Amazing. Love it. Carter's going for his 4th in a row. He's 3 for 3. Bro is locked in. Man. Good try. It's close.
Watch. No, it's not stable. I have to restable.
All right, Carter is 5 for 6.
Backwards.
If he makes this shot, he'll be 6-7. Oh no! 5 for 7.
I give up. My career's over.
Oh man, he's done. He's crashing out.
Court K leave. We gotta do it.
Bad kitty. What did you do? Hey.
Esme, you go right there. And then Brendan, if you get in between Nora and Mason, you did.
No, I promise you're fine. Promise.